Stop feeling confused inside Canva. If the dashboard looks overwhelming, today I'll show you exactly what every section does, so you never feel lost again. By the end of this video, you'll understand what the left panel does, what the top bar controls, what the canvas area is for, and how everything connects together. Once you understand the layout, Canva becomes easy. This is your command center. Everything you add to your design starts from here. With templates you can get lots of pre-designed layouts you can customize instantly. With elements you can get lots of shapes, lines, stickers, graphics, icons, frames, photos, videos, and grids. With text you can add headings, subheadings, body text, or ready-made text combinations. Using uploads you can upload your own images, logos, or videos. Apps has some extra tools like background remover, pro, mockups, charts, etc. Remember this simple formula: left panel equals add. Canvas equals work. Top bar equals edit. That's it. That's Canva. If this helped you understand Canva better, comment easy below. And if you're serious about learning Canva step by step, subscribe now.